Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today on In the Kitchen with Sandy, it is my birthday. So I am like super not excited about it. Today I turn 24, and I know I don't really look my age. I know I look so much younger. I've always been told that, but it is my birthday today, and I'm not doing anything, just staying isolated. Got the dogs some chicken cooking as always, and Olivia's wants some pancakes this morning or this afternoon. So we're going to make pancakes out of this wild berry muffin mix. I done it before a while back, and because I'd heard about it, and I want, I like to try new things. So they turned out really good. They were really tasty. I don't remember what flavor we used, but blueberry, she said. But today we're going to do the wild berry because we're feeling a little wild today and crazy, birthday and all that good stuff. I'm kidding. But I'm not kidding about my birthday, so send me a card. I'm just kidding. You don't have to send me a card. But anyway, last time I made these, they were really good, but they were like a little flat. So I added an egg to them and the milk like it says. So we're going to see how they turn out. Hopefully they turn out yummy. Like I said, they were a little flat before, so I'm hoping the egg would kind of, like fluff them up a little bit. Like what I'm cooking for dinner today, I got some thick boneless pork chops that I think I'm gonna like garlic barbecue or whatever. I'm gonna do something with them. It's my birthday. I get to pick what I want to eat today. So that's what I decided I'm gonna have. Look at that. This got like blueberries and strawberries, and I think I learned the last time not to make it too big because they're really hard to flip. Because like I said, they're thin, but we're going to see if it kind of makes them rise a little bit, adding a little bit of egg to it. Probably should add some baking powder to it or baking soda. That would have made it rise, but anyway. Look down in there. And we'll see what happens. Look at that. It did rise just a little bit. Looks like a pancake, doesn't it? Let's see what it looks like underneath. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Check that out. Look at that. Actually, they turned out really well today. And that one looks like a heart. Look. I'm going to put some butter on them. And these are for Olivia, and I've got enough left over for me to do me one. I guess it's Olivia's birthday today. There's your pancakes. Look at that. Look how good those look. They turned out really good. Alright, so I left mine in the pan just a little bit longer, so obviously I like it a little bit darker. It's always a struggle to get this. I feel like I'm getting glued together putting this pancake syrup on there. Olivia says they're really good. She said not as dry as the blueberries. So if you make these, make sure that you put an egg in them. Beat an egg up in them. I think that does make them a little bit more fluffier. I think that kind of makes them fluffier. Just what I was saying. Somebody's got the giggles today. I'm going to try this. That's a big bite, isn't it? But y'all know I can handle it. Look good. That is really good. It's got the mixed berries throughout. Look, these blueberries. Oh, look at that. Look how pretty that is. I'm definitely going to be making these again. You guys are try them. I think these packs are like, what? 69 cents a piece at Walmart. And they got all kinds of flavors. They got chocolate chip. Lemon poppy seed, which I don't know if that'd be a good pancake, but I'm going to try anything. It is dinner time, and I am making pork chops. They're boneless. These are going to be like a honey, garlic honey, barbecue type pork chop. Just a garlic honey pork chop. I guess that's what we're going to call it. I'm going to have to. Me and Olivia made a cake for my birthday. I popped it out of the refrigerator because the icing was a little runny, so, but it's gonna be good anyway. But anyway, we're gonna make some barbecue pork chops. Not barbecue, but like honey garlic. Look at these pork chops. These are absolutely beautiful. They're nice and thick. So let's just go ahead and get started. All right, I've got my little little iron skillet here, and I hope all these pork chops fit in here because we're gonna take this to the oven once we get these seared. Ooh, I hope I have enough honey. Better turn my honey upside down. So I have enough. We're going to use a couple cloves of garlic, these big pork chops, some honey, a little bit of sorry about that, guys. A little bit of garlic powder. Just put that right over both the sides. Can you see? Can you see? Go ahead and turn your oven on about 425. These are going to bake probably for about 10 to 15 minutes, if that. Did I put some on that one? I don't remember. We're going to put some pepper on it. That is pepper, right? I'm losing my marbles today. You get a day older, or a year older. A day older, you get a year older and you kind of lose your mind. And some salt. And I'm just making some mashed potatoes and corn with this today. Olivia wanted some asparagus, but you know what, I don't have any, and I don't think that's a necessity to run out and get. So maybe next time, maybe next time. And while that's heating up, these are going to be seasoning with that garlic and salt and pepper. You're going to do both sides. I like boneless pork chops. I like the bone-in pork chops too, because any type of meat you cook with a bone in it is, we're going to just douse them babies. The bone, I don't know what it is about the bone, but it just makes the meat better. I like it better. A little salt. And a little pepper. I don't even think I have anything to make a salad with. I don't have any cucumbers. I already know that, so. All right, and then when this heats up, if I can talk, we're just going to sear these on both sides. All right, that is nice and hot, so we're just going to sear these naked. I really hope all these fit. Okay, they all fit. Look at that. Look how pretty. Yummy, yummy. And we're just going to sear these on both sides for about 3 or 4 minutes on each side. And while those are searing, we're going to add some ketchup to the bowl here. About a half a cup. A little bit of soy sauce. Some honey. A couple tablespoons of honey. Where's my brown sugar at? And just a couple tablespoons of brown sugar. About 2.5. Just because I'm a little extra, I like to add just a tiny bit of hot sauce to it, because it's going to add just a little bit of a wang to it. It's not going to make it hot, but it's just going to make it delicious. And then we're just going to stir that together. Smells good already. Gonna go in for the finger dip there. Yummy. That pan was almost not big enough for those. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful and brown. Perfect. Got another 3 or 4 minutes on this side because they are nice and thick. Alright, onto a clean plate. What in the world was that? Not sure what's going on here. And then we're going to turn it down a little bit. And then we're going to throw in about 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay, you know your pan is like super hot when the smoke detector starts going off. We're going to toss our garlic in there. We're just going to saute it around in that butter just for a quick minute. Let's scrape all that goodness off of the pan there. And those little pieces are from the pork chop there that when they were searing. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your pork chops and you're going to lay them right back in there. And my smoke detector was going off. Right back in there. Pour all those juices that are on your plate right over top. For just goodness. And then you're just going to pour your sauce right over it. Super easy, super delicious. Now we're going to pop it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes on 425. I'm going to go ahead and get my corn and my mashed potatoes made. Alright guys, look at those. Look how amazing those look. Oh, it's hot. How beautiful those are. Can you see those? I put it on broil. I cooked them for about 17 or 18 minutes in the oven, and then I put it on broil for about another 3 minutes, and that's how it got nice and sticky and delicious on top. Like I said, very simple dinner. We're doing just mashed potatoes and corn with it, and it's going to be delicious. And I made some brown gravy too, so hope you like this little vlog. You know, I appreciate you guys very much, and I'll see you on the next episode of In the Kitchen with Sandy. Bye. Take care.